Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to restore the camera settings back to default on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. Now let's say for instance you are messing around with the camera settings and you'd like to reset them back to default. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is simply open the camera app, either on the home screen or the app drawer, and then tap on the arrow at the top of the screen. And then from the settings that appear, simply tap on the settings icon. And then within the settings icon, scroll down and find the restore default settings. So tap on that. And then you'll be prompted, do you want to restore the camera settings to default? Simply tap on OK. And that will restore all the camera settings on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.